I know the biggest problem that all the advertisers face, whether they are running their ads on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, YouTube, or even on any e-commerce platform. They all have one common issue, and that is ad creatives. And this problem is too much common. Even my own clients face the same problem that you all are facing. But don't worry. In this video, I am going to tell you the step-by-step guide how you can create high quality video ads. The platform name is VidAU. It is basically an AI powered platform with the help of which you can create high quality video ads in few seconds. Now see some examples.
Duffel bag is absolutely genius and allows you to store clothing items on hangers in a separate compartment from the rest of the bag. This is a great solution when traveling with suits, blazers, or dresses. There are multiple internal pockets, and once the garment area is closed, the rest of the bag neatly zips up to function as a duffel with lots of internal storage. To keep good health, it's important to consume enough vegetables and fruits daily to ensure your body receives all the necessary nutrients. If it's difficult to get enough green plant components through food, consider using this green powder to fill the nutritional gap. It's packed with superfoods, vitamins, and minerals for a nutrient boost. Perfect for smoothies, on-the-go snacks, or a quick health fix. Swipe up to add a punch of greens to your routine.
एग्जाम्पल एड्स तो आपने देख ली होंगी. ये सारी एड्स ना इसी प्लेटफॉर्म को यूज करके बनाई गई हैं. एंड यू कैन डू द सेम एग्जैक्ट थिंग. The best part about this platform is you don't need to do editing, you don't need to add voiceover, you don't need to add subtitles. Everything this platform will do. Even you can edit the background music, even you can edit the subtitles, the font style, the font color, anything you can do here. And trust me, I personally use this platform for creating the high quality video ads for my own clients. You are running a small business, do have a Shopify store, or you are doing dropshipping, local as well as international. In all these cases, you can use this platform for your video ads. I put the link of this AI platform in the description and also in the pinned comment. You can access it from there. Let's go to the laptop screen and I'll show you how you can do the whole process, and that is pretty simple. So let's get started. So this is basically the dashboard of VidAU. Okay, so now I will tell you how you can create this video ad. Here you can create video ads for social media ads, for TikTok, for Facebook, Instagram, e-commerce products, for any type of platform. Okay, so it's very simple. एंड यहाँ पर ना आपको सिर्फ एक URL डालना है, उसको आप वीडियो में जनरेट करा सकते हो. कैसे करना है आपको सब बताती हूँ. ऑन दिस प्लेटफॉर्म यू विल गेट 100+ अवतार, ओके, AI अवतार दैट विल क्रिएट योर वीडियो, एंड इन 160+ countries people are using this platform. This is very renowned and trusted platform by big brands like Shopee, Shorts, X, and much more other platforms, even Amazon. As you can see here, they are showing URL to video ads. If you want to create ads for marketing agency, you can choose this one. If you want real estate, apps and software, e-commerce, or any other, like here are very simpler categories, and if you want to create ads for any specific category, you can choose that one. Okay, it's pretty simple. These all are the AI avatars, and to be honest, ये AI avatar लग ही नहीं रहे हैं. These are looking totally real. Simply you need to log in and then this dashboard will come up. This is the VidAU studio. Ad inspiration. Here you can create a lot of different ideas for your ads, okay? As you can see, the views and impressions are too much.
Dude, did you hear Brandon got promoted?
What? Sleepy Brandon?
Yeah, man, he got this app called Rise, and now he's killing it. Rise? Yeah, it hacks your body's rhythm so you can wake up without being tired. Sounds a little shady. It's not. It's made by sleep scientists, and it actually improved NFL teams' performance. Wait, how? How does this thing work? It analyzes your sleep data to calculate the best time to go to bed, wake up, and do your best work. Okay, so how long till I get on Sleepy Brandon's level? You should start feeling more energized in 2 to 3 days.
Oh, I could use some of that.
Take the 3-minute quiz and get after it, man. I did, and I'm your boss now. Wait, you're my what?
So your ads easily get viral on any platform, okay? Here you'll get hot hooks, like which hooks you need to add in your video to make it more engaging, okay? So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, यहाँ पर you can add different links and उसको आपको generate करा सकते हो वीडियो के अंदर, okay? And ये सब कुछ मैं आपको करके दिखाती हूँ. तो अब मैं आपको क्रिएट करके दिखाती हूँ कि आपने एक्चुअली में कैसे क्रिएट करना है ऐड को, ओके? आई सिंपली कॉपी द प्रोडक्ट लिंक. आई वांट टू क्रिएट वीडियो ऐड ऑन दिस प्रोडक्ट जेलीफिश, ओके, जेलीफिश लैम्प. Simply I paste that link here and I'll click on generate button. So now as you can see, the product name, product description, everything is here. Simple मुझे अब लोगो अपलोड करना है और वीडियो ऐड करना है, ओके? सो लेट मी डू दैट. अब ये कुछ टाइम लेगा एंड ये सारा कुछ रेडी हो जाएगा. आपके प्रोडक्ट को एनालाइज करेंगे, देन दे विल जनरेट AI स्क्रिप्ट्स, एवरीथिंग दे विल डू. सो यस, इट्स रेडी. सो यहाँ पर आपको ऑप्शन मिलता है एडिट करने का. आपको कुछ चेंज करना है, आपको टेक्स्ट चेंज करना है, फॉन्ट चेंज करना है, वो भी कर सकते हो. Here you can change the color, you can change the font style, text style, everything. Okay. So as you can see, I changed it. I changed its color, I changed the style and size. So now it's looking more good. Okay, it's all done. And let me show you what I created.
This mesmerizing lamp features lifelike jellyfish movements and a stunning RGB gradient that creates a calming underwater ambiance. Perfect for any room, it not only serves as a nightlight but also as a captivating piece of decor that sparks imagination. Don't miss out on this unique experience. Grab yours today and elevate your home atmosphere.
So video is ready now. अब मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ कैसी लग रही है. Have a look.
Imagine bringing the serene beauty of the ocean right into your living room with the jellyfish pendant light. This mesmerizing lamp features lifelike jellyfish movements and a stunning RGB gradient that creates a calming underwater ambiance. Perfect for any room. It not only serves as a nightlight, but also as a captivating piece of decor that sparks imagination. Don't miss out on this unique experience. Grab yours today and elevate your home atmosphere.
So yeah, that's all about today's video. I hope you like this, and if you like, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video, and must do comment if you have any sort of queries. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.